Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've been joined by Juliet and she's going to be sharing some of her essential items and tips for use with the Caravan kitchen. So stay tuned. So today we're going to be looking at the kitchen of your caravan. This is part of the series of Caravanning for Beginners videos and is in kind association with Caravan Stuff For You. Caravan Stuff For You is an online presence and also it has a showroom based in the UK. So if you would like to know more about Caravan Stuff For You or the items that they sell and provide, then please click the link below.
Now, we've had a bowl for our sink. Now, quite a lot of people have asked where we've got it from. Now, we couldn't remember because we bought it just before we bought the caravan. However, our friends at Caravan Stuff For You came to our rescue and said they thought it was this, and it is. So it folds out and it's by Camper. It fits our sink completely. So you're able to wash up all your pots in it, which is a great thing at the moment because you don't need to use the pot wash. We use the Isabella full flat dish drainer. Now, a few people have pointed out it is a little bit small, but we wash up as we go along, so it's not an issue. Now, our microwave fails the Juliet test. As you can see, it's way too high. So we got a microwave bowl, so I can put in beans, soup, tomatoes, anything. And when it's ready, I can safely get it out without pouring it down myself. Now, a safety tip, always take your microwave plate out because you don't want it to break in transit. Now, because we have positive catches on our cupboard, we find the safest place to put it is here where our plates are. And talking of plates, we have been using the IKEA bowls and plates, and for 50p each, they've been fantastic. Now, we've been using these plastic goblets since we got the caravan. They're heavy base, so they don't knock over easily, and they're great for G&Ts. Now, Caravan Stuff For You kindly sent us 2 new ones. They do sell these, so have a look on their website. They do lots of different colours. Now, for bulkier kitchen utensils, I use this plastic basket, which is ideal because it fits in the overhead locker safely. Now, we've been using the T-Fal Ingenio pans since we've got the caravan. Now, we found them to be very robust and really well made. We've also though been asked a question, can you leave the handle on and the lid on while they're in use? And as you can see, yes you can, and it fits very snugly. Now, we don't use an electric kettle, we use a whistling kettle. Unfortunately, I was stopped whistling. Now, Caravan Stuff For You kindly sent us a new one, and if you want to see what other kinds they have, look on the website. We use Tupperware for our tea, sugar and cereal. Now, the tea bags and the sugar I always leave there, which makes use of that shelf. Now, I was asked to share this tip by Joanne from Itchy Feet. Now, we use sugar cubes in our caravan, which reduces the risk of getting any ants.
Well everyone, I'd just like to thank Juliet for doing the demonstration for us and sharing some of her tips. I hope you've found this video useful. I'd like to thank Caravan Stuff For You for supplying some of the items that we've used within the video. And also I'd like to thank you for dropping by and watching the video. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.